This beautiful bag is the Vintage Coach Willis Bag, style number 9927, and this bag is in the beautiful green color called bottle green, and this specific bag was made in the US in 1995. So the Willis is definitely a classic. I would say it's probably one of the most popular bags in terms of vintage Coach that I've seen. And it's just a really nice, classy style. So I'll go ahead and show you more of the bag itself now. To start with, the Willis does have a nice top handle, which makes it convenient when you're taking the bag on and off, or just handling the bag when you don't want to be wearing it. And it also comes with this detachable crossbody strap. So it attaches up here to these top D-ring hardware pieces. And the hardware is made of brass. And the strap is also adjustable, as you can see, via these little buckle holes here. So it's got some nice strap options for you there. So I'll go ahead and show you. It also has a brass turn lock hardware piece. So this is how you would open the bag. Just turn that hardware piece. It's very simple and easy. And then here's what the sides of the bag look like. It does have a dowel up top here. You can see it better on the side of the bag. And then here's the back. And it does have a pretty large slip pocket on the back, which is really nice. This would probably be a good place to store your phone, depending on the size of the phone. I think most phones would probably fit back there. And then it also comes with the two-sided hang tag. And then we'll go ahead and open the bag. And as you can see, it comes with another slip pocket under this front flap. And it's also got a zip pocket in the main compartment, the body compartment of the bag. So it's got 3 pockets, one here, the zip pocket right here, and then the back pocket. So lots of pockets on the Willis. And then hopefully this kind of gives you an idea of how large the inside of the bag is. I would say it's more on the medium to large size in terms of handbags, maybe more large than medium in my opinion. And then of course it also comes with the Coach Creed that's back there. Since it's hard to show it adequately on camera, here's a close-up photo so you can see that the bag is of course authentic. Okay, so that's the beautiful bottle green Willis bag, style number 9927. And this bag is now available in our online store, so I will leave the link below just in case anyone wanted to check it out. And we also have a lot of other Willis bags available in different colors. We've got quite a few right now, so if you were interested in looking at our other Willis bags, our main shop link will be below, and you can just search Willis in the search bar and they should come up. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you in the next video.